Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Chris. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday you saw me when I was grinding this stump, that uprooted stump. I had got it out. I was going to cut it lower with the chainsaw, and then it wouldn't do anything. So now I'm back at the shop, and today it's been raining and all that good stuff. So I'm going to do a little maintenance on the chainsaw. And we'll see what's wrong with it. Hopefully there ain't much to it. It ain't like the clutch, but it could be the sprocket. I don't know. So I'm fixing to tear into it and figure it out. Oh, our first clue, we got some metal shavings. It looks like, I think it might be the sprocket. Let's see. Set that off over there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It might be the oh yeah. So I think that's what it is. So you got to take the C clip right here, or E clip. Some people call it whatever. You got to take that clip off and then pull this off, and it comes right off. So I think I'm probably going to have to put a rim and a sprocket on it. It looks like. So let me find that, a screwdriver. Make it a little easy on me. That goes outside. Oh yeah, look at it. Yeah. So you slide this off. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh, one of them's come out. Yeah. All right. So just so happens. So it's a 3/8.7. Let's see if I got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I keep spare parts. So there's that. Yeah, that's wearing out. So I got a new one. So we'll just put that on there. So when you go to install it, the only thing you got to worry about is where the oil worm gear is. So you just got to find it and line it up. So it looks like it's right there. I think I had it. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Whoops. Forgot to put the new one on there. Man, that's awful. Well, when you're putting this back on there, you need to put some lithium grease on it. All right, when it sits down in there, you know you have it. So you just put the rim back on. Put the clip over that. And you put the E clip or the C clip or whatever clip you want to call it back on, and you should be good to go. This is the tricky part because they want to kind of hard to do sometimes. Of course, y'all are right there in my way. I'm going to blow this out a little bit. I like to run it for a few minutes or a few seconds and then tighten her back up. Because see, it's going to get loose again after it runs on there. Well, I'm glad that was all that was wrong with it. So that was a quick fix. I had the parts I had already ordered before, and so that didn't take very long. Hey, if you like the videos, hit the like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.